for den ng sisi ko. It's Saturday today. Nakikita nyo ba? May snowflakes na ngayon. Maliliit pa lang yung bagsak niya. Pero siguro tomorrow morning, malakas na yung niya, yung pagbagsak. As you can see. Ayan mga sisi ko. Super lamig ng panahon ngayon. Punta kami ngayon ng groceries. Magtatapon muna ang asawa ko ng basura. You're so cute, mahal ko. Say hi to my vlogs.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, my hands are.
No worries.
That's a phone. No.
Yeah.
Good.
Thank you. I will. Okay, here you go. Talagang magtatapon muna kami ng basura bago kami dumaan sa aming pupuntahan. Ayan, nakaugalian namin. Ayan, ganyan yung tapunan. Normal sa Pinas. Where? There? Maybe let's continue. Yeah, you can go there.
I think.
Holding while walking.
Yeah. I think we can. Okay, they made the renovations there. Because the infrastructure is not perfect here.
Yeah, for sure. At least they take action to renovate it.
I doubt it. Probably it's something for the around to take too much time. I don't think 10 minutes just to walk around.
It's okay. It's not a big deal. As I always say.
Yeah, we can forward. Watch your step.
The restaurant is not working.
Oh, this is your jacket.
Ako yung big cart. Dito lang ako. Antayin ko na lang siya. Save lang naman yung mga sisi ko. That one, mahal ko, the small one. Yeah. You forgot your coins?
No, I thought it's one left. I kept 1 and 2. I don't keep.
Yan lang. Punta pa ng asawa ko yung coins dalhin. Sabi niya kasi huwag na akong tala.
We'll take a basket.
A basket. Where's the checklist?
Here.
Okay.
I'm just watching it.
Ang cute lang ang sisi ko. A section. And also apple. Like just 3 pieces of apple. How much the kilos?
Oh, I don't know. Let's see. I think 2 levels for the banana. Just like this.
Pinabasa nila mga sisi ko yung banana dito.
No.
Bread. Just only small one. Because of the expiration. There's just only one gonna eat the bread. And this one. Okay, that's enough. Wala ko broccoli mga sisi ko. Mukhang broccoli.
The broccoli is here.
Ito yung broccoli.
It's kind of broccoli. Probably it's like
Cauliflower pala mga sisi ko. Cauliflower. Interesting. Mga sisi ko, gusto niyo ba to? Oh, diba sa inyo malaki talong ng ibang bansa. I think this one.
okay, let's take it.
Okay na, sisi kayo na. Take this.
Yeah, but they need to be fried, no?
Yeah, that's it. Let's try it.
Okay.
What do you want? This part or this part? This? Okay, let's try it. Mga sisi ko nakakita kami ito sa chicken. Try kong iluto.
yeah. This is the one that we are using, but it's not like the wrapper that was in the Turkish. It was bigger, yeah.
Ayan.
This one is this small.
Ako ng prawn salad. Mag-fruit salad ako. Ayan o.
So,
Nakakita rin ako ng mango.
pineapple chunks are for
And also lychee. Ko ang gagamitin ko. Peach. Panggraso. Pero nakaano siya. Pulbo. Powder. Okay na to.
One eternity later.
Na mga sisi ko, nagsisimula ng umulan ng malakas ng snow. Ayan. Basa na nga asawa ko. Ayaw kasi magdala ng payong.